Hey, so it finally got cool, everyone. It's been a couple days since I recorded last. Oh, and also my laptop is working now. I got a solid state hard drive this time. I upgraded because I just needed another one because my old one died. So there'll be a video out this week. I'm happy. Now, after basically downloading all that non-attributable music and everything with no copyright claim or anything to it, finally I'm getting my editing sort of done. I would say halfway at this point. And I'm going to copy the half finished file to a external SD because yeah, I've learned my lesson. But also then I'm going to edit with DaVinci, and then hopefully I'll have week 21 done. And I haven't been recording at all this week really, but because I haven't really been doing anything but this and trying to figure out some other stuff. But yeah, it's not really anything I record about that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to start trying to do more stuff, maybe starting tomorrow, Friday, and then half of Saturday, and then I'll have a short week 22. We'll see. Hey everyone. So it's been a little bit, but today is the day I should edit all my episode and start uploading it and have it published by tomorrow. But what I'm trying to do and figuring out real quick is if my Phantom drone can still basically hover in one place easily, so that way I can get some different footage. We'll see how well I can do and if I can do it. And if not, you guys will know shortly. Like I did say, you would know shortly. So it's shortly. All right, I'm about to go drive somewhere to get some good footage. So I got some drone footage of a abandoned shopping center parking lot, but with me. But I'm also going to fill up my freshwater tank, and I'm going to mess with the front and back cameras because at the angle it allows me to give them, it just doesn't, I just can't see that much. I honestly, from right there, I can see, from right there, I can see to like right here on camera. So, on the front and back. So I'm gonna figure out, or try to figure out some other way to, some way to fix that.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I'm just lost to feel. I need time to heal. I can't steer the wheel, cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels. I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till...
So I think I made it a lot better. this is what it looks like right now. That's pretty far. If you can see right up there, that red magnet I put all the way up there, right there, and it can see basically until the three-way right there. You can see all the way up to there, and in the back you can see past the, or to half of the driveway that's coming out into the street. So I think that's pretty decent. It's not supposed to be getting a landscape view or anything, but it's basically just be recording and keeping track of what's around me. So that's pretty good, I hope. All right, now it might be a day. I'll see you guys next episode. That was actually really simple and pretty decent progress for the day, at least, and the week, because I did get my front and back camera with the other attachments that it came with, and I made it fit so it has a much better view of the front and the back, so I can see more than just right down and right down, yeah, front and back side. All right, this is the end today. I'll see you guys next episode.